Welcome. Starting with very basic and important question, what is autoclave tape in pharmaceutical industry? Autoclave tape is a crucial process indicator used to provide immediate visual confirmation that an item has been subjected to a sterilization cycle within an autoclave, that is steam sterilizer. It is a type of chemical indicator classified as a class 1 indicator according to the ISO 11140 standard. What is principle of working of autoclave tape in pharmaceutical industry? These chemicals are initially in a reduced, that is light colored state. When exposed to the sufficient temperature and moisture of a valid steam sterilization cycle, they oxidize and change color, typically from a white to a dark brown or black. What is response time of autoclave tape? The change should occur within the exposure time of a standard cycle. For example, within a few minutes of reaching the set temperature. What biocompatibility expected from autoclave tape? While not in direct contact with the drug product, the tape and adhesive should be inert and not shed particles. What is primary use of autoclave tape? The primary use of autoclave tape is to visually distinguish between processed and unprocessed items. What is key advantage of autoclave tape? The key advantage of autoclave tape is an immediate and on-the-spot results. What temperature sensitivity is expected for autoclavable tape? Autoclavable tape are designed to react at 121 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Celsius, that is at common autoclave range. Very important question, does autoclave tape leave adhesive residue after sterilization? Direct answer is no. High quality autoclave tape is designed to be removed cleanly without leaving residues, ensuring packaging integrity. Very frequently asked question, is autoclave tape reusable after a cycle? Direct answer is no. Autoclave tape is single use. Once the indicator has changed, the tape cannot be reused for another sterilization cycle. Who are the leading suppliers for autoclavable tape in the pharmaceutical industry? You can refer below table for leading suppliers for autoclavable tape in pharma industry. The leading suppliers are 3M, Steris, Proper Manufacturing, Cardinal Health, and Thermo Fisher Scientific. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.